Hello viewers, Apple has so many iPads right now that choosing right one feels more confusing than ever. Today in this video I will talk about iPad Air M1. On the other hand, there is iPad 11th generation. Both iPad 11 and iPad Air M1 comes with 10.9 inches display, but on iPad Air M1 you will get edge-to-edge design with slim bezels, plus it supports P3 color gamut, so you will have a very good experience, less air gap on the display and better clarity. This is best for creators and designers. On the other hand, iPad 11 comes with 10.9 inches liquid retina display with non-laminated display. Though the display looks very bright, but it cannot be compared with iPad Air M1. If you have lots of video editing on your iPad, in that case iPad Air M1 will be better for you. iPad 11th generation is also very good in terms of video editing, but you will have better experience on iPad Air M1. Both the devices have excellent multitasking, but if you want to know the best performance, in that case iPad Air M1 will deliver better performance in terms of multitasking and app opening and closing. If you are a designer, in that case you will have great experience on iPad Air M1. iPad 11th generation comes with pen support, but only first generation of iPencil is supported. On the other hand, iPad Air M1 supports Apple Pro Pencil. Both iPad 11th generation and iPad Air M1 produce excellent battery life, so in the battery section I think both will be same. If you use the beta version, in that case you can use both iPad Air and iPad 11th generation on iPadOS 26 beta version public 2.0. Currently I am using beta version iPadOS 26 and I am getting excellent performance, but the battery life is little bit on the drainage side. It drains very quickly and there is a hotness behind the iPad, you can feel towards the camera. So in the conclusion, which iPad should you pick? I think you should pick iPad Air M1 if you have that budget, but the best price for iPad Air M1 64GB is around 35 to 36,000 rupees during Big Billion Days sale. And if you want to buy iPad 11th generation, in that case the best price would be around 27,000 rupees maximum for the 128GB variant. Now let me know in the comment sections below which iPad you are going to buy in Big Billion or Amazon Great Indian Festival. If you have any questions in your mind, feel free to ask me in the comment sections below. I will try to answer those questions to the best of my knowledge. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.